Good morning, my dear students. This is the part 13 of chapter 3, Playing with Numbers. In our last class, we have seen how to find the LCM by prime factorization method. Today, we will study how to find LCM by division method. So, there are some steps to follow. To find the LCM of two or more numbers by division method, following steps are involved. So, step number 1 is arrange the given numbers in a row separated by commas. So, you have to write the numbers and you have to give commas in between them. Step number 2, divide the given numbers by a prime number which is exactly divisible at least two of the given numbers and carry toward the number which are not divisible. Step number 3, write the quotient in each case. Below the number in the next row. Step 4, repeat the process till no two of the given numbers are divisible by same prime number. Step 5, the product of the divisors and the undivided numbers is the required LCM of the given numbers. Now let us find LCM of 12, 15 and 30 by using division method. I will follow the steps mentioned above. I have written 12, 15 and 30 separated by a comma. Now, I shall check which two number is divisible by a prime number. Yes. I can see 12 and 30 is divisible by 2. So, I will divide 12 and 30 by 2. If I divide 12 by 2, I get 6. 6 I have written below 12. 15 is not divisible by 2, so I shall write 15 as 15. 30 is divisible by 2, I get 15. So I have written 15 below 30. Now, in the next row, in the second row, I can see I have got numbers 6, 15 and 15. Now, 6, 15 and 15 is divisible by 3. I cannot divide 6, 15 and 15 by 2 because only one number is divisible by 2, that is 6. But 15 and 15 is not divisible by 2. So I have to check with the next number 3, next prime number 3. If I divide 6, 15 and 15 by 3, I get 2, 5 and 5. Now I have to check which two numbers are divisible by same prime number. So I can see I can divide 2, 5, 5 by 5. So I can write 2, 1 and 1 in the next row. Therefore, LCM of 12, 15 and 30 will be product of the divisor, that is 2 into 3 into 5 into the undivided number, that is the numbers of the last row. 2 into 1 into 1, which is equal to 60. Let us check with another example. Find the LCM of the following numbers. Number 1, 9, 18 and 21. Number 2, 12, 15 and 36. Question number 1, 9, 18 and 21. I have written 9, 18, 21 with comma in between the numbers. I can see 9, 18 and 21 I cannot divide by 2 because only 18 is divisible by 2. there should be at least two numbers which should be divisible by the prime number. So I shall check with the next prime number, that is 3. If I divide 9 by 3, I get 3. If I divide 18 by 3, I get 6. If I divide 21 by 3, I get 7. So in my second row, I got 3, 6 and 7. Now, two numbers, that is 3 and 6, are divisible by 3. 7 is not divisible by 3. So I shall write 3 as divisor. If I divide 3 by 3, I get quotient 1. I have written in the last row. If I divide 6 by 3, I get 2. If I divide 7 by 3, it is not divisible, so I shall write 7. Therefore, LCM will be 3 into 3 into 1 into 2 into 7, which is equal to 126. Now let us check with the next question. I have to find the LCM of 12, 15 and 36. 12, 15 and 36 I have written in one row which separated by commas. 12 and 36 are divisible by 2. So if I divide 12 by 2, I get 6. I have written it in the next row. If I divide 15 by 2, it is not divisible. If I divide 36 by 2, it is 18. So in the second row, I have got 6, 15 and 18. Again, I have to check if any two number is divisible by 2 or not. Yes, 6 and 18 are divisible by 2. So I have divided 6 and 18 by 2. I got 3 and 9. 15 is not divisible by 2. So I have written 15 as it is. Now I have got 3, 15 and 9 in the third row. These three numbers are divisible by 3. So if I divide 3 by 3, I get 1. If I divide 15 by 3, I get 5. If I divide 9 by 3, I get 3. Now, no two numbers is divisible by any prime number. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 5 into 3, which is equal to 180. Let us check with another example so that your concept is clear. Find the LCM of 21, 28, 36 and 45 by division method. So I have written 21, 28, 36 and 45 separated by comma in one row. I can see 28 and 36 divisible by 2. So I have written 2 as divisor. 21 will be remaining 21. If I divide 28 by 2, I get 14. If I divide 36 by 2, I get 18. 45 is not divisible by 2, so I have written 45 as it is. Again, I can see 14 and 18 divisible by 2. So I have a divisor 2 in the second row. 21 is not divisible, so I have written 21 as it is. 14 is divisible by 2, I get 7. 18 is divisible by 2, I have written 9. 45 is not divisible, so I have written 45 as it is. Now I can see that 21, 9 and 45 in the third row is divisible by 3. So I have written 7 in the fourth row because 21 divided by 3 is 7. 7 is not divisible by 3, so I shall write 7 as it is. 9 is divisible by 3 and it is 3. 45 is divisible by 3. The result is 15. In the fourth row, I have got numbers 7, 7, 3 and 15. Again 3 and 15 is divisible by 3. So I have written 7, 7. 3 is divisible by 3, we get quotient 1. 3 when 15 when we divide by 3, I get 5. So in the fifth row, I have got 7, 7, 1, 5. If I divide it by 7, I get 1, 1. 1 is not divisible by 7, so I will write 1. 5 is not divisible by 7, so I have written the same number 5. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 5. Next example, find the LCM of 180, 384 and 144 by division method. I have written 180, 384 and 144 in one row separated by comma. 180, 384 and 144 is divisible by 2. If I divide these three numbers by 2, we get 90, 192 and 72 in the second row. Again these three numbers 90, 192 and 72 divisible by 2. So we get 45, 96 and 36 in the third row. Now we can see that 96 and 36 are divisible by 2. So we get 45, I have to write as it is because it is not divisible by 2. If I divide 96 by 2, we get 48. If I divide 36 by 2, we get 18. Now again 48 and 18 are divisible by 2. Therefore, in the fourth row, I have to divide 48 and 18 by 2. I get 45. I have written as it is because it is not divisible by 2. If I divide 48 by 2, I get 24. If I divide 18 by 2, I get 9. Now all the three numbers are divisible by 3. So I shall divide all the three numbers by 3. 45, 24 and 9. I get 15, 8 and 3. Again 15 and 3, these two numbers are divisible by 3. If I divide, I get 5. 8 is not divisible by 3. So 8 I shall write as it is. 3 is divisible by 3, we get 1. Therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 8 into 1. Very few students submitted their homework in the last class. So I think all of you have not understood the prime factorization method to find LCM. So here is a short revision. If you don't understand or if you cannot follow, reach me at my WhatsApp number in doubt clearance or in the evening. So again I am trying to explain you this method with an example. Find the LCM of 48, 56 and 64 by prime factorization method. So I have written 48, 56 and 64. 48 divisible by 2, I get 24. 24 is again divisible by 2, I have got 12. 12 is again divisible by 2, I have divided it, I have got 6. 6 is divisible by 2, I have got 3. 3 is divisible by 3, I get 1. The same way, 56, if I divide by 2, I get 28. Again 28 is divisible by 2, I get 14. 14 is divisible by 2, I get 7. 7 is divisible by 7, I get 1. Remember, the divisors, the numbers by which you divide should be prime number, and you have to check from the smallest prime number. Always try to divide by the smallest prime number, that is 2. If it is not divisible by 2, then go to the next prime number, that is 3. If it is not divisible by 3, then go to the next prime number, that is 5. If it is not divisible by 5 also, you go to the next number 7. If it is not divisible by 7, go to the next prime number. What is the next prime number? That is 11. So like that you have to proceed. Now 64 is divisible by 2, you get 32. If I divide 32 by 2, I get 16. 16 is again divisible by 2, we get 8. 8 is divisible by 2, we get 4. 4 is divisible by 2, we get 2. 2 is divisible by 2, we get 1. So I have written 48 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 56 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. 64 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So here I will pick up the longest chain of the factors, product of factors. So we have got factors 2, 3 and 7, which is the longest chain of 2, where we have got most number of 2's. In 64, we have got 6 2's. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So I shall pick up 6 2's from 64. Now longest chain of 3 is only 1 3 we have. So I shall pick that 3. Next number is 7, only 1 7. So I shall pick that 7. If I multiply all these numbers, I get LCM as 2, 6, 8 and 8. Homework I have given you from exercise 3.7, question number 1, 1, 2, 3 and 5. Try to solve these problems. If you have any problem, you can ask me in the evening. This is all for today's class. Have a great day.